Welcome to SKU Science. In this video, I'll show you how to upload an external forecast and explore the different ways you can use it within the platform. Let's say you've received a forecast from your sales team or a customer. In that case, you can easily upload their forecast into the tool. To do that, just click the Upload Forecast button. You'll have several options depending on how you want to use the data. Let's start with the first option, Upload for comparison only. I'm going to upload a file where the forecast starts in May. Make sure your date format is consistent. If a field doesn't need to be mapped, you can skip it. There's also a sub-option called Copy to Forecast Adjustment. I won't use it for now. Once uploaded, the system processes the external forecast. Now you can compare it side by side with the existing forecast for each item. It's a great way to identify gaps with your customer or discuss with your sales team. Now let's say your organization uses its own advanced forecast model, maybe built by a team of data scientists. You want to replace the system's forecast with this one. That's possible too. First, upload the external forecast like before. Then, go to the forecast computation tool and choose to replace the baseline with your external forecast. Once selected, the tool will automatically update the baseline forecast for all relevant items. You'll notice that the baseline forecast now reflects your uploaded data. And you can still track performance using the same dashboard and KPIs. The last option is to automatically copy your forecast into the forecast adjustment during upload. This is ideal if you want to immediately apply the external forecast as an override without making manual edits later. Just select the option, Copy to Forecast Adjustment when uploading. Once uploaded, you'll see the external forecast appear directly in the forecast adjustment field at the item level. It's ready to use for decision-making and performance tracking. So, whether you want to compare, replace, or fully override the system forecast, the external forecast upload tool gives you flexibility and control. Thanks for watching.